Hello and welcome to Eat Travel Life. Today we are making homemade strawberry frosting. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. This is a delicious fresh strawberry recipe. We're going to start by chopping those strawberries and adding a little sugar. You're going to want the sugar to sit with the strawberries while you get started making this. It will allow it to make some syrup, so we'll be able to put that into our frosting and just add in more flavor. So go ahead and shake that up and then set that aside, and let's get to creaming our butter. I cut it into a few cubes because that makes it easier when you're whipping it. Let that whip up a little bit, and then you can add your powdered sugar. You want to add a portion of the powdered sugar, not all of it. I want to try to get it to blend together. So add it a little bit at a time. Just keep letting it whip. Go ahead and add in your vanilla. You should see it start to come together a little bit there. And add in your dehydrated strawberries, or your powdered strawberries. This is going to add in some more flavor. Go ahead and clean your bowl a little bit to get all the ingredients mixed in there well. And add in your strawberry juice that we created from our strawberries and sugar. And just mix that together. It should start to look more pink for you. It's going to have again, you're going to just scrape your bowl down. This is a good time to taste your frosting, see if it's got a lot of strawberry flavor, and if not, you can add more in. Go ahead and add in more powdered sugar if you need. You want it to be a nice smooth consistency. It was looking a little dry, so you could add a little bit of your milk. And you don't need to add in all the milk. You just add a little bit at a time to go ahead and see how it's looking, and then go ahead and spread it on your cake. I put a little layer in between the cake, and then I added in fresh strawberries just to add in an additional flavor there for strawberries. And then you can go ahead and frost your cake. We did a half a cake and we have the recipe, and it turned out perfect and it was delicious. And when you're frosting your cake, if you're a perfectionist, you might want to look away because I am not perfect when it comes to frosting a cake, but we did a rustic looking cake, and this was a lemon cake that we made this with, so it gave it a strawberry lemon taste. It was wonderful. Let me know in the comments what cake you frosted with this. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.